Students, welcome back. I am Pratima Singh, your SST teacher, and today I will continue with our chapter Prejudice and Discrimination. In my previous video, I had explained you about prejudice and stereotype. Today, I shall start with discrimination. So, what is discrimination? Discrimination means to make difference between people on the basis of class, race, religion, gender, age, etc. without giving any preference to individual merit. Prejudices arising out of diversity and inequality leads to discrimination. Diversity can be a source of discrimination. People who belong to a certain region, speak a certain language, or follow a certain religion may be seen as inferior and can be discriminated against. Caste system, which is a unique feature of Indian society, also developed due to discrimination based on the diversity of occupation. Under this system, people doing different kinds of works were placed in different castes. A person born into a particular caste had to take up the same profession of that caste. He also had to follow the rules and customs of his caste. The members of different castes were not allowed to mix with each other, eat together, or marry. Castes were hierarchical. This means that there were high and low castes. The higher caste people discriminated against the lower caste. The lowest caste were called untouchables. They were not allowed to draw water from the public wells or to enter temples. Thus, caste system gave rise to social inequality. Caste system also divides the society and threatens the unity of our country. After independence, the practice of untouchability has been declared illegal. However, it still exists in the villages but has become less rigid. The policy of apartheid, meaning separate development, was once practiced by the government of South Africa, and this is an example of discrimination based on racial diversity. Apartheid ended in early 1990s by the efforts of African National Congress and its leaders like Nelson Mandela. Economic inequality too is a major source of discrimination in many countries, including ours. Poor people often face discrimination in schools, hospitals, and even at workplace. After the independence, the caste system has been steadily losing importance. The credit for this goes to the leaders who wrote the Constitution of India after independence. Our Constitution lays down some basic rules for the people to follow. The leaders who wrote our Constitution were concerned about inequalities and discrimination present in the society. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is also known as the father of our Indian Constitution, has faced discrimination in his own life and fought against it. Hence, our leaders set out to reach the goal of equality for all independent Indians in the long run. Indian Constitution recognized that India is a diverse country, and in order to protect this diversity, Indian Constitution has given all Indians the following rights. First, all Indians are equal before the law, which means no one can be ill-treated in the name of caste, gender, or religion. Second, every Indian is free to live or to travel anywhere within the country, take up any job in any part of the country, and say anything in public without any fear. Third, No Indian can be exploited or forced to work. Fourth, every Indian has the right to follow the religion of his or her own choice, which means that all religions are equal before the law. Fifth, every community has the right to preserve and promote his own language, script, and customs. A person can go to the court of law if he or she is denied of any of these rights. This is the end of our chapter. Thank you for watching.